Then let us start working on problem number 5. Right here, what will be the reciprocal of product of improper fraction, that is 2 1 by 4 and 3 1 by 2. Right, they have given mentioned we need to find the product, right? So improper fraction, so they have given mixed fraction, that is 2 1 by 4, right? That I'll convert it into improper. So how you are going to do that is multiply here, and as well as whatever the product you are going to get, that you need to add to the numerator plus, that is 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4, and for 3 1 by 2, which is going to be 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So we need to find what the reciprocal of product of improper fraction, reciprocal of this. So 9 by 4, the reciprocal will be what? That is going to be right. What will be the reciprocal of product of improper fraction, right? First multiply it, so that is going to be, so 9 by 4, that into 7 by 2. So 9 7s are 63, 4 2s are 8. Right, we got this. Now we need to find the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal of 63 by 8, reciprocal is going to be 8 by 63. So 8 by 63 is nothing but a proper fraction, right? Proper fraction is the one in which the numerator is less than the denominator. So 8 by 63 is a proper fraction. Option A is the right one.